Sweetheart, why are you crying? Nani, I'm finding maths very difficult. Oh, maths is such a wonderful subject. Come, let us learn maths together.
Sweetheart, let us cover this particular question now. Fill in the gap with this symbol or this symbol. Now look here, honey. Let us first know the meaning of these two symbols. Look at my hands now. This is the narrow end and this is the wider end. The wider end should always face the bigger number and the narrow end should always go near the smaller number. So in other words, they are asking us to decide which one out of these two numbers or these two numbers is bigger or which one is smaller. Now, the first rule is the digits we will have to count. Here are 5 digits and here are 4 digits. Always remember that in complete number like this, the digits number matters. Means the bigger the number, the bigger will be the digits. So this is bigger than this one. And hence the wider end should go near the bigger one. And the smaller or narrow end should go near the smaller number. Now let's come on the next one. Here we know that this is also 5-digit number and this is also 5-digit number. So let us start comparing them. Let us start comparing with the extreme left hand side digit. Here it's 6, here it's 6. So equal. This is 3 but this is 4. So this number is bigger than this one and hence the wider end of the symbol should face or should go near the bigger number. Easy. Sweetheart, now let us take the next question. Ascending and descending order. First of all, we will have to know the meaning of ascending and descending. Now suppose this is a staircase. When we go from the lowest step to the highest step in this fashion, then it is ascending, ऊपर चढ़ के जाना, and descending is exactly opposite, and that is if we start from the highest place and we go down like this, then that means we are descending or we are showing descending place. Now here ascending means ऊपर जाना, means we will have to start from the smallest and then go towards bigger one, still bigger, still bigger, still bigger. This is ascending. And if we start from the big one and go towards smaller things, then we are descending. So in other words, in ascending, we have to first start from the smallest number and then we have to proceed towards the greatest or biggest number that is given to us. So first of all, let us take one example of ascending order. Now let us take one question. The question is, arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Ascending means ऊपर जाना. So छोटे से शुरू करेंगे and we will go to bigger and bigger and bigger number and we will reach the biggest number. Now let us see. First of all, we have to see how many digits are there in each number. Here are 4 digits, here are 4, here are 4, here are 4. So as far as digits are concerned, all are equal. So now let us compare the first digit or the starting digit on the extreme left hand side. Here it is 7, here it is 7, here it is 5, here it is 8. So this particular one is the smallest number and we have to go towards bigger number. So first of all, let us finish writing this number. 5, 3, 8, 2 is the smallest number here because the first digit on the left hand side is the smallest. Now here in these two numbers, we find that though the first digit is equal, second digit is not equal. Here second digit is 5 and here second digit is 6 and hence this number is smaller. So next one is going to be 7, 5, 4, 1. After that we will have 7, 6, 0, 0. And at the end, since this is the biggest first digit, this is the biggest number also, and hence we end it with 8253. Here after every number, we have to give a semicolon. And this becomes our answer. Ascending order. Now, honey bunch, let us come on the next question. Arrange the given numbers in descending order. To descend, यानी नीचे नीचे जाना, यानी हाईएस्ट से शुरू करना और छोटे तक पहुंचना. तो first of all, we will count the number of digits. Here are 5 digits. Here are 4 digits. Here are 4 digits. Here are 4 digits. So 5 digit wala number automatically becomes the biggest number. So first of all we will have to write this biggest number. And then we will come down slowly. Here the digits are 4 digits, 4 digits. So as far as digits number is concerned, all three are on equal place. Now we have to compare them. So first of all start comparing the first digit on the extreme left. 5, 8 and 9. So 5 is the smallest one and hence this will go at the end of the answer. This is the smallest one. Now we have to compare these two. Here 8253 is second smaller one and 9000 appears here. Now turn these commas into semicolons for giving final answer. So this is our answer. Biggest unit 25,412 and it goes on decreasing gradually and that is called as descending order. Now sweetheart, let us take the next question. The next question's type is like this. Give the smallest and biggest number having dash digits. Sometimes they will say having 2 digits. Sometimes they will say having 7 digits. The number here will go on changing. But let us know first the meaning of the question itself. Now we know that a number having 1 digit starts starts with 1 and ends into 9. Because after 9 comes 10, which becomes 2-digit number. Number with 2 digits will start with 10 and end with 99. Because after 99, if we add 1, it becomes 100, that is 3-digit number. So we come on now 3 digits. In 3 digits, we have got the smallest number as 100 and the biggest number as 999. Because if we add 1 here, it becomes 1000, means turns it into 4-digit number. So once we understand these are the numbers with digits. This is the smallest in that category and this is the biggest in that category. Then we can go on writing the answer very quickly. Suppose if they write, give the smallest and biggest number having 2 digits. Then we have got this answer. Smallest number is 10 and biggest number is 99. If they say that give the smallest and biggest number having 3 digits, then we can say that smallest number under 3 digits is 100 and the biggest is 999. So now instead of going stepwise, if I say that now give me the answer for this 7 digits. Give the smallest and biggest number having 7 digits. Here we know that for 3 digits, smallest was 1 and on it 2 zeros. Right? So these 3 together are making one 3-digit number. So now we have to make 7-digit number. So smallest 7-digit number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the smallest 7-digit number. And the biggest 7-digit number will be 9, 9, 9, 3 times 9, 4 times 9, 5 times 9, 6 times 9, 7 times 9. So this is our 7-digit number. And this is also 7-digit number, but this is the smallest number under 7 digits and this is the biggest number under 7 digits. Now sweetheart, the last question. The question is fill in the gaps, and for that they have used 1 crore is equal to dash lakhs, 1 lakh is equal to dash thousands, for which we will have to remember the basic chart which we started using in our part 1. Now the part 1 chart showed the terminology up to this. But as the income of the people is going up day by day, these terms have been added now. So after 10 lakhs comes crores, then comes 10 crores, and then comes abja rupees. So now these 3 terms we have to add to our basic chart. Now let us see. They are asking us about this one. Right? About this one. 1 crore. Now we have to give the value of 1 crore in terms of lakhs. So we start from here. and we try to go there. Now let's here 10, here 10, everywhere 10 tens are added up. Remember we said that 0 we go on adding. That means everywhere 10 are to be multiplied. So for starting from lakhs and coming to crores, we will have to take 10 two times and multiply that. That means 100 lakhs. This is going to be our answer. Now next one. 1 lakh is equal to how many thousands? So value of this is asked. 1000 starts from here. This is 10. This is 10. Multiply it. That means for making 1 lakh, we will have to provide 100 thousands. Now suppose we want to take 1 abjad. So 1 abjad, we have to come here and they are asking us to find out how many lakhs make 1 abjad. So start from lakhs and come up to here. So this is 10 into 10 for this, into 10 for crores, into 10 for 10 crores. So here we will have to give answer as 1 and on it we will have to give 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So 1 crore, abjad becomes 4 zeros here after 1 and we have started from lakhs, so lakhs. Easy, isn't it, Nani? Yes, Nani.
खुशियाँ ही खुशियाँ जीवन में जिसके, खुशियाँ ही खुशियाँ जीवन में जिसके, क्यों ना खुशी से वो दीवाना हो जाए।